Hi guys! So we decided to go out kasi bibili kami ng for breakfast dahil nga wala naman tayong free breakfast dito sa ating room na ito. So bibili tayo ng para breakfast natin for tomorrow. Papunta tayo sa Jabka, mga around 2 minutes walking lang. Since 8:30 pa naman didilim, so pwede pa tayong ipapakita namin sa inyo yung surroundings dito sa Krakow. Lily! You go walk, Lily? Maybe no. Lily's going to use the stroller. Mate, you're not going to wear jacket?
I'm going.
That hoodie only?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hoodie. Mama, because Lily open.
Maybe you gulitin eh. Mate is going to use this only.
What? Yes, why you get the bag?
Put that.
We get stroller.
So magdadala sana ako ng backpack pero anyway. Diyan na lang muna. Hey, uy! You know that you're not allowed to open the door alone? If there's a stranger, the stranger will take you. You want to go to the stranger? You are not allowed to open the door. Do you understand? Lily, do you understand? Do you want the stranger will get you? Hey, Mate, I'm not joking. Okay, only Mama can open. Your phone is there. Quietly. Yeah, someone's sleep. Someone's sleeping. So you better quiet. Someone's sleeping. Okay? Understand?
Oh my God.
Fold, buti na lang fold.
Need to. There's someone there, baby.
I don't know.
It's one house.
Oh shit. Really?
Yes.
I opened the someone.
Go. I open. Odejdź.
I was so
You want to go to someone's house?
I opened the door with the someone room. Oh my.
Lily, you want to drive?
Lily, you go to Tata.
I want to drive.
Nie,
No, only Lily. Because Lily is a bubas. Gulit, baby.
Tata, biegam.
Wow.
Pierwsze wyjście z Matem, Lily i Jelin w Krakowie. In Krakow. First, sorry guys. First, go out from outside the condo.
Outside world.
Where we need to go?
We're going to Jabka. I don't know where's the
Forward.
Jabka. Forward.
You check on the map. Are you sure? Left, right?
Okay, I'm gonna all the time. Make me an.
Are you joking all the time?
Yeah, you're joking me and it makes me. Miho is always joking me and I'm high blood every time he's joking. So welcome to our new vlogging with a long tripod.
It's very heavy.
It's not heavy now because I am training.
It's look at
Hello
that. Muscle.
everyone.
Oh, muscle.
Look how nice the building.
No, sorry, it's fat.
Yeah, I am fat.
No, she has small fat. We need to go buy silicone.
What? I am fat still. You know, before I train, I am only 46 kilogram. You
Yes.
know what, guys? I'm 48, almost 49
No,
now.
I remember. I tell you, if you want to
49
see me,
kilogram.
you need to have the 46.
Yes, but right now,
And you lose 4 kilograms in 1 or 2 months.
because I want to
Meet me.
train.
Meet
No,
me.
it's not. You know, what do you want them to take?
I'm joking, guys.
Yes, but they don't understand your joke.
You don't understand my joke. It's not
Yeah.
It's not my problem. It's your
Global
problem.
service. Now you are fighting with them.
Tata, nie jest to zjedzone Saltovati.
Yeah. I'm Joker, man. What I can say? You don't see the Batman and Joker. I'm the Joker. Joker,
I
egg
think
Joker.
you are the kamatayan, your skeleton.
Skeleton?
Yeah. What is that?
I don't know. Zombie?
No, the one that is like the horror baby. The one who
No,
is
zombie.
killing
I don't know.
Okay, mapakita ko na sa inyo yung surroundings. So, here is the Krakow near our hotel. I'm in condo.
Tomorrow we go there.
And tomorrow we are going to this palace. Yeah, that is a palace, Tata.
It's the castle.
Castle di ay.
Castle and graveyard.
Castle
For the
and
kids.
graveyard. The king graveyard, yeah?
Maybe
You need to tell me what is in here.
it's the Wisła, the same river. What
River
in Warsaw.
Wisła.
But in here is the small.
How about this boat? And meron siyang long path there if you wanna walk. The River Wisła is the longest river here in Poland. Yeah, baby?
Yes.
Yes, here's the
Yeah,
confirmation.
it's not ours.
Here's the confirmation.
Confirmation.
About River Wisła. What else you can give them? Nothing.
There you can record Jubilat. Guys.
I already record Jubilat.
Yeah, you won't see you are Jubilat. And there is Jubilat too. Look. Wait, because
Yeah, but Lily is
oh, there you have Jubilat. Yes, it's Jubilat. Oh,
Jubilat. Jubilat in Philippines.
Okay.
In Poland, their rating is at Jubilat. In Philippines, Jubilat.
Proszę.
Oh, supposed to be, we'll make photo. But now, I make the video. So here's another view for you. And that's the castle right there. Are you resting now?
No. My eyes is
You're
tired.
not yet resting.
My eyes is tired.
Oh, there. Yeah, we've been here. That's the dragon.
Yes.
We've been here last time, but last time there's a lot of people there. Yeah. A lot of people. And that dragon is like, what is it?
Yeah,
Blowing with a lot of fire. That dragon. Because there's a story about the Krakow dragon. Can you tell us the story about the Krakow dragon, Tata?
No, I don't remember.
Oh my god.
On the mall.
The Krakow dragon, like there's a king. Ah, yeah, I remember. The king in this village, like because there's a dragon and the dragon is eating the animals, and the village is very scared. So if someone can kill the dragon, can marry the daughter. You forget about it?
I forgot.
Come on, let's take a photo. You want to take a photo?
Great. Fine.
That's the story of the Krakow dragon. And Tata didn't want to take a photo, guys. Baby, take a photo. So guys, we are waiting for the dragon to blow the fire. So let's... Wow! Look at that. See? It's real dragon. It's blowing a fire. Only that. No more. That's the...
Only 1 second.
Only 1 second fire. No more.
Go on, go.
And now
I make you
people
photo.
is gone because they are just waiting for that.
Go, Marty with mom.
Where?
Lily, I make photo.
Okay.
Zabka.
So nandito na tayo sa Zabka, guys. What are you doing there? No. No. You want? Come on, let's find juice. Let's find juice. So nandito na kami sa Zabka. Bili kami ng toasted bread para sa toast. I think this is enough. This bird is enough, or you want the big one?
No, not long one. Where is long one?
Maybe this one?
No, okay. No, go.
Check it.
Robot cornflakes and the milk.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, this and milk.
Oh, but-
Really?
Oh,
Abanose.
No.
So guys, lumabas na kami ng Zabka kasi nga si Tata is pinalabas na kami kasi para magbantay kami sa stroller. Kasi sabi niya baka paglabas namin wala na kaming stroller na madadatnan, kaya lumabas na lang kami ni Lily. Dito na lang kami mag-aantay sa labas. Anyway, malapit kami sa Sky Bar. Ayan o, malapit kami dyan. And ito yung ating... Hala, bakit naka-orange cup sila? Ayan yung Zabka, and ayan. Alas City na, pero hindi pa dumidilim. May namit akong Pilipina, guys. Kakarating lang namin ngayon, no? Pero may namit akong isang Pilipina. Taga Bulacan siya sa Pilipinas. But anyways, hindi rin kami nagchika-chika kasi meron din siya mga kasama ng mga foreigner. And update you guys later. Maghintay lang kami dito sa gilid. Good morning, guys. Hello, good morning. So, it's 5 a.m. here. And look what I have. Super duper napaka black coffee. Tingnan mo, meron kami dito ng coffee machine, kaya i-try natin yung lasa niya kasi nga first time ko makatry na ganitong way yung paggawa ng kape. Ito, ayan, yung meron siyang nilalagyan siya ng ganito filter paper, then yung water is dito. And then, of course, ito yung nilalagyan ng coffee pag ma-filter na. Plus yan, tapos lagayan siya dyan. Tapos turn on dito. Ito yung filter paper niya, guys. Ilang pieces to. So, anyway. And then, ito yung ginagamit na kape. Ito yung kape na ginamit ko. So, let's check. Para atang pang 2 days ko lang ito. Patay talaga ako nito. Nawalan ako ng kape. Anyways. So, magkakape muna ako. And then, a little bit stretching. Si Mati nandiyan. Hindi naman yan siya mabilis gumising. Like kay Lily. Nasa loob si Lily. Kasi 1 bed lang yung meron kami. And then yung couch. Of course, sabi nga ni Mati, kuya na daw siya. So, dyan siya matutulog. And then, peaceful pa yung ating paligid. But, makalat pa rin. So, let's try this coffee. Buti na kaya nakapag-grocery tayo kahapon. Kasi, abili tayo ng milk. Para pang breakfast later. Puno-puno naman niya. Inuman ko muna siya. Super puno siya. Ang pangit lang dito is yung floor na pakaingay. Ang pangit kasi maingay yung floor. Anyways, let's drink coffee. First sip. Not bad. Sarap siya. First time ko makagawa ng coffee in other way, like that. Di ba may kape man na meron sa coffee machine? Ayan, iba din yan, di ba? So, first time ko, masarap siya. Napaka-strong niya. Kasi nga, guys, hindi ko alam ilan yung supposed to be ilagay na powder. 4 scoop pa naman yung nilagay ko. Tapos ito lang yung tubig. Sige, juda itong mataan ni Ron. Anyway, kailangan ko na naman. Nakatulog na ako ng 7 hours. Mag-stretching na lang ako. So, ito palang damit ko. Binili ito namin ng buntis ko kay Matt sa Malaysia. Look. I love this dress. Tinanapal ko talaga ito ang damit ko na to. From Malaysia ito namin binili. At isa lang din yung binili namin. Isa lang yung binili ko. At least meron akong souvenir from Malaysia, no? Then yung picture. Anyway, kagigising ko lang. So, magmamuni-muni muna ako. And then, alam mo naman, pag gumising na yung mga bata, no? Is, yung buhay ko is, ano na naman, mag-explode. So, magmuni-muni muna ang ina niyo. Kasi, tulog pa sila. Si Lily, gumising siya nung gumising ko. But binigyan ko siya ng milk, nakatulog siya balik. I know. Mag-skincare pala ako. Wait. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung skincare ko. May na ako mag-ano. Hindi kasi ako nakapag-ano na pa. So, yung ginagamit ko ngayon is yung Mary Kay pa kasi hindi pa ubos. Inuubos ko lang naman siya. Then, ito yung aking pang-wash. Wash and go sa face. Kasi gusto ko nang mag-stay sa isang brand. Alam na yun. Bakit hindi nag-iilaw ito? Paano ito ipa-ilaw? Anyway. Hindi ko alam saan yung switch nito. Hindi pa. Meron pa kasi isang light dito sa taas. I'm not sure saan siya tutuldukin. Wala namang ibang switch. Wala din sa labas. Anyway. Skincare muna na tayo habang may time pa. Kasi pagigising maya-maya, iba na naman yung atubagin natin. Okay. Grabe, pagod na pagod ako kahapon. Ewan ko, hindi naman kami naglakad ng mahabang oras. Hindi lang yung kayang lakad namin. Parang 10 to 15 minutes lang yun. Yung pumunta tayo sa Krakow Dragon. Mas yun yung story ng Krakow Dragon. Okay. Gem natin yung ating face lock. Meron ako doong headband but ayaw pumasok sa room kasi nga ayaw. Baka magising si Lily ang aga pa naman. May headband ako doon na parang bebe para hindi mag-skincare ka ba. Hindi mapunta yung hair mo sa face lock mo. Ay, kailangan ko pa rin kunin kasi nandoon pala yung skincare ko. Bugo mo. Already. Yan. Ito yung ito yung dinala ko. Pinuha ko yung mga makeup ko. Nilagyan ko ng mga guys, nilagyan ko ng mga medisina. Alam mo naman, ayan, para pang runny nose sa mga bata. May Solmiox pang dala. Dali-dali na lang. Alam mo naman na dali-dali na lang kami, no? Of course, ito yung sinasabi ko. Para sa kanya lang mga kagid-kagid. Alam mo naman yung mga bata na yun. Merong, mga, anong tawag nun? Marami silang, what do you call that? Allergy. Yung skin nila, maraming allergy. So, ito na. May dala akong, anong laman dito? Wala kasi kaming Zodiac cream. Mabuti na lang, meron kaming petroleum para sa rashes ni Mati. So, ito yung gamit ko. Yung aking serum. Kasi sa Atomic kasi na in-order ko kay ate, hindi ako naka-order ng serum. Kaya, nag-order ako ulit ng yung sa same brand ba? Ito. And then, meron din kasi ako guys, nagamit from Oriflame na grabe, nagpalighten sa skin ko. Kita niyo yung skin ko dati, di ba? Ito yung serum na to para for discoloration na ma-tune up yung aking kulay dito kasi last time is grabe ka. Ang daming puti-puti. Marami pa naman siya. But eventually, kasi nga, na May 20 ko to nasimulan gamitin. Hindi naman yan siya magic na okay, agad-agad no yung face lock. Patingnan natin. But yan na nga. Yung laman ng aking box. Tcharan! Para sa kilikili power. And then of course, mga then para sa runny nose. Kasi para yung mga bebe. Then of course, para sa eye cream. Ayan, nag-eye cream na ang bebe. Nagdala rin ako ng lipstick in case na gusto kong lipstick na kahit hindi naman ako mahilig mag-lipstick but magla-lipstick ako ngayon. And then lip balm para sa I have another color of Maybelline. And then nagdala din ako ng baby cream. This is from Philippines. Ayan. So, ayun na nga. Nagdala din ako ng ayan. Gel para kay Mati. Anyways, ang dami kong dala dito. Hindi ko na ipakita kasi kailangan ko lang maglagay ng serum. Ito yung serum ha. So, dinadari ko siya dito sa aking face. Ayan na siya. Bango ng serum, guys. Ang dami ko na ng pimples na nagsisilabasan. Napit na ata yung aking dogs. Dito sa So, ayan. So, ayan yung serum. Ang bango talaga ng serum, guys. Itong set na to, one set talaga to siya, including with, meron pa siyang eye cream, para sa wash sa face, meron na siya nito, yung set. Yung nabili ko kay Meme, kay Ate Nieva, is yung pang din yun, pang evening care set, pero wala siyang, hindi siya included pa yung yung day cream and night cream, kaya nag-order din ako ng another pero naubos na kasi guys, ang bilis naubos yung cream ko, yung moisturizing cream ko, bilis na ubos. Kaya nag-order ulit ako nito, yung set na naman. Meron din to siyang set na na serum, pero nag-order din ako ng another serum kasi this is for discoloration. Dahil nga, yung aking face lock is meron siyang discoloration, pigmentation, nitong nangyari dito sa aking face from Philippines. Basta ganito yun yung aking face bag. Kanang naaarawan ako ng too much. Let's face the fact that our face is na abnormal na. And then, maglagay tayo ng eye cream. Lagay lang tayo ng eye cream. Kayo na yung mag-research para saan to, okay? Pero meron kayong assignment. Okay. Lately lang ako nag-start Alam mo ba guys, saan ako na-inspire mag-skincare routine? Nung na-use ko yung product na nagpa-lighten sa face ko, doon ko nakita, hala, yung nag-pink-pink yung aking face lock pa. Sabi ko, wala, mag-order ako nito, yung same product din ba? Same product na moisturizer, at saka yung set. Nung Mother's Day, niregaluhan ako ni Tata ng set talaga. Ito, niregaluhan ako ni Tata. So, ito na yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Ayun, tinuloy-tuloy ko na. Like, na-inspire ko guys kasi nung paglagay ko ng, hindi ko mo dinala kasi nga, twice a week lang yun siya gamitin. Ipakita ko sa inyo next time. Paglagay ko is namanit ka na siya guys kasi peel yun siya pero twice a week lang yung gamitin. Nagbabasa na ako ngayon guys kasi natrauma ako nung first time kasi nilagay ko everyday. And then yun na nga, lagi kayong nagko-comment na dry si Jerlyn. Because of that, dry ako kasi everyday ko ginamit. So mag-ano na tayo. Ayan, mag-moisturizer. So ito yung kanyang. Ayan. Okay, lagay natin. Huwag natin yung okay. Ayan, moisturizer. Doon ko lang din nabasa. Nagbasa talaga ako sa website ba? Kasi dati, hindi ako pumapasok sa website. Like, nagbasa lang ako ng description. Pero nung nagpasok na ako sa website about sa usage, like, hindi pala siya everyday kasi magda-dry talaga yung face mo. Kasi pag nag-use ka talaga ng product, read it wisely. Hindi ka ng ura-urada. Like, na-excite ka lang. Kasi ako, grabe, na-excite ako that time na grabe yung improvement ng pag-lighten ng face ko. Kasi nga pala, hindi pala everyday gamitin. Pastilan. Look at guys. Di ba ang ganda? Look at guys. Kaya, amaze ako nito. Yung product na to. Na-inlove ako sa product na to guys. In short. Look. Meron akong ngayon kasi paparating na yung aking dose. Mag-menstruation na ako. Diba? Kung hindi ko tinarayan yun, matagal na yun sa ko, sa cosmetic bag ko. Dinadala-dala ko lang, hindi ko lang na-try kasi natatakot ako. Until nung board ako is pinicturan ko, tapos binasa ko sa website. Ayun, para pala siya pang lighting, tapos for discoloration also para ma-tune up ang face. Tapos hindi lang yun dapat gamitin, kailangan din